How to brew AeroPress like a champion. First, we're gonna need AeroPress, 30 gram coffee and 81 gram of water. The recipe designed by Tetsuka Sia, 2016 World Brewers Cup champion. First, we're gonna add 120 gram water, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Set your filter at 25 and flip your AeroPress at 30 seconds. Remove your plunger back, wait till 1 minute 10 seconds. Once you reach 1 minute 10 seconds, start to press very slowly till you hear the sound.
Really, nigga?
Press time must be maximum 20 seconds.
"2,000 years later."
Remove your AeroPress. Now we have 85 gram coffee. So we need to do bypass. I prefer 85 to 90 gram, but it depends on your taste. If you want your coffee more strong, you can use less water. If you want your coffee more light, you can bypass with more water. Enjoy.